Hello and welcome to day 15 of the 1000 days of no code challenge. Yesterday we covered about grouping and today we will cover about padding and margins. Basically, both of these are meant for adding spaces around the groups. One is meant for adding space outside of group and the other is meant for adding space within the group. So let's dive in. If we go to layout and scroll down, you have something called margins and you have something called padding. So let's understand both of this individually. Now margin is the gap that you add outside the group. Okay. So to understand this better, I will go to appearance and change the background style of the group to, let's say, light red color. We'll go to layout and add some margins now of, let's say, 10, bottom 10, left 10, right 10. Let's go to the preview mode and check how this looks like. So as you can see, we have colored the group to reddish and we have added the margins, and that's why we have the gap between the borders of the repeating group and the group that is added inside. But if we add padding, you can see that the space is added inside the group. Now it has messed up a bit here. So for that, let's go to the repeating group and increase the height of this to 450. Let's go back and check this. You can see that now it is added the space from inside the group. And if you go back to Twitter, you see that the space is added from inside the group. So let's go back and remove the margins for now. And increase the padding from 10 to 15 all across. And of course, remove the color from here. To give the same feel as Twitter, when you hover on top of this, there is a change in color. So let's add that as well. So when this group is hovered, that's when we need background style to be flat color and background color to be EV, which is light grayish. You can play around with these colors. You can see that when I hover, the color changes. I hope this is already making the app look a bit more nicer than it was 2 days back. Now I know you all are saying, building app is really very simple. It's been 15 days since we have started this journey, and I hope you all are learning a lot.